Hello, hello, you good people. How you guys doing? Thank you so much for clicking to this channel. I don't take it for granted. For the old members, welcome back. And for the new members, you're most welcome. Please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and join this family. Osh is my name and YouTube is the game. So today I'm making these beans. It's black beans. Black beans in Kenya we call them Njahi, but it's basically black beans. And these beans they need some kind of love and tenderness to give you back love. So these are two different recipes, and that's what I'll do. And I'll cook both of them at the same time to save time. Oh, did you see what I did there? Cook both of them at the same time to save time. So here are my ingredients. I have onions and chili. I have ginger and garlic. This is white cabbage and carrots. Those ones will go to one. And this is coconut milk. Yes, I know somebody's raising eyebrows. That's coconut milk, grated carrots, and I have tomatoes and tomato paste. Yes. If you've never tried Njahi, or rather black beans with coconut milk, try. Here they are. I've already boiled them. Black beans, and this is how they look like when they are raw. Black beans, especially where I come from, the central part of Kenya, it's one of the meal that it's given to the new nursing mothers because they are very high in protein, iron, folate, vitamin B6, calcium, all it all. They are very healthy. It's a very healthy type of beans. So black beans. And here they are boiled. This is how they look like when they are boiled. And this is what I'll make. So I'll make two different recipes from it, as I said. So to start with, first I'll blend my chili, garlic, and ginger, and I'll blend them into a paste form because it's a paste that will go to both recipes, and the onions as well. That's why I've sliced so many onions. So let me blend this, and here they are, well blended. So I'll clean up the surface because this is where I'll use for cooking, and place my cooking pots. And I think my onions is ready. So this is a blended tomato and tomato paste. That's the base that will go to both, but this one pot, this is the one that I'll cook with coconut milk. That's why it's small. Because you know, with coconut meals, I don't like having them in the fridge for more than 2 days. So I'm only making a meal for no more than 2 days. I'll just leave it boil as this other one is ready. I'll add the rest of the tomato paste and tomatoes. This will be the base for both of my dishes. And I'll let my tomatoes cook for a while to remove that tangy taste of the tomatoes and the tomato paste. So I've just added my grated carrots, and then I'll add in my black beans, at least for them to get, you know, that sauce to be mixed in the sauce. And mix. Mix thoroughly till everything is incorporated. And I'll add salt to taste. Let me know how you like making your black beans, because I would love to know. How you make. But I think for me, my best is when I make them either with coconut milk or with cabbage. These two recipes are my best for the black beans. And this other pot, this is the one that it's going with the cabbage. So this still looks like almost done. I'll add in my diced carrots and add the rest of the black beans. And mix well. And here's my coconut milk. I'm not sure if I should do half or full. No, it will take one. It will take a full one. Add the rest and mix well. And then after this, I'll lower the temperature of this stove, at least for it to boil, you know, slowly. I don't want it to boil so fast, so I'll cover it and lower the temperature, and I'll let it cook. After some minutes, wow, yes. After some minutes, I'm coming to mix. And now next, I won't cover this one because I want the moisture in it to evaporate and to have just like only coconut milk in it. With this other one, it's time to add my cabbage. I can see, because I wanted that sauce, you know, the sauce that was there, I wanted it to get in the beans before I add my cabbage, because I don't want my cabbage to overcook. I like them crunchy. These are thinly sliced cabbage. I'll just add and mix a bit, and that's it. I have to add some cubes. This is Royco. It's more of beef cube in powder form, and this other one it's beef cube. But what you're supposed to do with this beef cube powder, you're supposed to mix it with water, because if I add it just on top, it will be clumpy. It will get into the food being clumpy. It won't spread. So I'll mix with some warm water, and then I pour it here. And that's the only thing that I'm adding here. These are the one, the coconut milk, that one is done. I'm not adding anything more. That one, I'm waiting for it to cook. This one as well, once I mix and cover it up, that's it, it's done. After some minutes, actually it's more than maybe 15 minutes, as you can see, this one, the moisture has reduced. It's only coconut milk now on top, and you know it's done when it starts sizzling. When the coconut milk starts sizzling, that one is almost done. This one is with the cabbage. Yes, they are well crunchy. I'll just mix it up, and this time I won't cover it. I won't cover because I don't want my cabbage to overcook, and as you can see, my gravy is thick. It's thick. That's nice. I've turned off this one for the coconut milk. That one is already done. I'll just let it cool down and wait for this other one to continue cooking. I just want the moisture to evaporate a bit, because I want it kind of dry, but not exactly dry. Yeah, I hope you get what I mean. I'll just leave it for some minutes. And come this one. Whoa, can you see that gravy, how thick it is? That, and the smell, especially the mixture of coconut milk and the ginger, that's something else. And this one is also done as well, so I'll turn off and let them cool. It was just that fast, you know, it's as easy as that. And it's time to plate. Just have a look at this. I love, as I said, coconut milk with black beans. That's my best. Even with cabbage is bay, so I'm okay with that. But the coconut milk is the one that I love most. So I'll start with this one and taste. The smell already speaking volumes. It's shouting volumes how tasty it is. The gravy is thick. This one as well, the gravy is thick. It's not dilute. And I like it. I like it. Hope you've enjoyed my cooking too, because I have enjoyed every bit of it. I have enjoyed every bit of it. As you can see, the gravy is very, very thick. This one as well, it's thick and it's with veggies. So black beans, they are lovable. You can make them well. Hope you've enjoyed my cooking till this far. And if you've been with me from the start till now, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I really appreciate. Please, let's engage each other in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you make yours. And until next one, bye bye.